everyone. Today, today we will talk about how to solve Messenger microphone iPhone. To know how to solve Messenger microphone iPhone, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Messenger and you will enter. After that, in this page, you will go to click first stop. When you will end this, you will click here, storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end this, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.